Hi, glad to see you here. Today I will show you how to pour anti-puncture liquid into the tubeless wheels of the Ninebot Max G30. Of course, as you understand, this instruction is suitable for all types of wheels. The only difference may be in the amount of liquid that you need to pour. This information you can easily find on the label. I'm taking down the instructions for the whole process for you. I bought a Slime's 2-in-1 tire and tube premium sealant. There is a screw cap at the top of this bottle, which is also a tool for unscrewing the core of our nipple. We will need a vehicle, puncture protection fluid, and air pump. I have a Xiaomi Mi 2 portable electric air compressor. You can watch my detailed review with tests of this pump here. Just follow the link on the top right corner of the video. Also, I'll use a pair of gloves. We need to install the wheel so that the nipple is in the middle or above the middle of the wheel. Based on the instructions on the bottle, we need to pour 4 ounces in each wheel of the scooter. There are marks on the bottle of liquid which will help us more easily understand how much liquid we have filled. To clearly see how much liquid has been poured, you will need to put the bottle down and leave it there for a few minutes so that the liquid flows down and you can see the exact liquid level in the bottle. We need to unscrew the nipple core in the tire. We do this with the help of our plastic tool from our bottle. I couldn't unscrew it in the first time because my nipple was spinning with the tool. That's why I used pliers to prevent synchronized rotation. I'm showing you closer what the nipple core of my wheel looks like. Now we need to shake our liquid well. You must make sure that you have removed the protective cover from the liquid bottle. If you do not do this, you will wonder why the liquid does not flow out of the bottle, what I did a minute ago. After removing the protective cover, we are ready to go. Attach the hose to the nipple with the unscrewed core and press the bottle with light movements. In the process, you can stop to understand how much anti-puncture fluid you have poured in. You do this until you have poured in the required dose. After this, you take a tool with a nipple core and screw it back on. And finally, the more exciting part of this process, I love my portable air compressor, and now I'm going to show it to you in action. I don't need any additional adapter to pump my wheels. The original hose from Xiaomi pump fits well. Since the air pump already comes with preset modes, I just need to select the scooter mode, which is 50 psi, and press the start button. But I like to inflate the wheel 1-2 psi more, since when unscrewing the air goes down a little. I also love this pump because it can be used as pressure gauge. You just screw it to the wheel and the real pressure will appear on the screen, so you will understand whether the wheel is lowering after some time. The final touch is by screwing the cap on the nipple. This was the final step of working with nipple itself, but it isn't the last one. We have to make the trip on our scooter right away, so the liquid inside is evenly distributed. Of course, you can spin the motor wheel with the gas pedal, but we won't be able to do the same with the front wheel. My choice is right after pumping liquid into the wheels. So, before the trip, I will do the same on my back wheel. If you are interested, you can view the whole process on the rear wheel. It will be a little more complicated there. If you are interested in the trip, then follow the next stage of the video. As you can see, the tool that comes with the bottle is not suitable for unscrewing the nipple core. With the help of stationary knife, I cut off the side of the cup to fit the middle into the nipple. You should know you will not be able to screw the bottle with this cup anymore. You can see the explanation video on the screen. All we need to do now is repeat the same steps as with the front wheel. Shake, look at the mark, connect the hose, and pour in the liquid. Don't forget the main step to screw the core back on. Pump the wheel. Great! We're ready to ride a scooter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to see more contents like this one. Have a nice ride. So, see you in the next one.